So I'll be doing something just a little bit different today. We're gonna get into some of the fall crafts. Some of my friends have asked to get together, drink some wine, and make a craft. So I wanted to make something that was easy enough that everybody could make it, but that was cute and something that we could put out. So we are going to make a pumpkin today that you can set in your house for some home decor. Let's get started. I unwrapped my wood round and tested how it would stand up best. To provide support, I superglued a piece of scrap wood to the back. Next, I took a wood shim and using the edge of the table and a hammer, I cut it in half. This will make the stem of the pumpkin. Using super glue, I attached it to the wood round. Using my finger to curl the floral wire, I pre-shaped it and I cut off the excess with wire cutters. I printed a picture of a leaf to use as my guide when cutting the burlap. Using the scissors, I cut a small hole in it so that the wire would fit through. Then I just fed the wire through the burlap. And I put it on the wood shim just to make any final adjustments. Then I removed it so I could paint it. I used orange chalk paint, which you'll want to shake up really well. It should be thick and not runny. And I use chalk paint just because it goes on thick, you only need one coat, and because it dries really quick so that the project will be done and dry by the time everybody goes home. Once the paint was dry, I put the wire on